Hello everyone, this is Muye Industry. Ranger Integrated Gantry Installation Tutorial. Check if the main product and accessories are complete. Original trunk installation requires matching base accessories shown. This accessory needs to be purchased separately from the store. This tutorial demonstrates installation on a trunk with a roller cover. Step 1. Gather 12 base slider connectors. Take 6 base slider connectors with threaded holes facing up. Slide them into the right side chute one by one. Arrange the 6 into 3 groups as shown. The 6 on the left are the same. Place 3 as a group. Gather 12 M820 specification screws. Place the gantry main body at the front of the trunk. Note, double hole side faces the rear. Place on the slide rail. Keep proper distance from rear glass, flush with the rail. Lift the main body. Slide 8 base sliders on both sides. Align with the screw holes of the main body. Insert M820 screws into holes to connect and tighten. Tighten 8 screws to complete fixation. Main body and slide rail must fit tightly after fixation. Double hole side faces the front. Place at roller cover rail end. Slide 4 base sliders on both sides to align with main body holes. Initially connect with 4 M820 screws by hand tightening. Adjust position later. Do not tighten temporarily. Gather 8 M620 screws and 8 M6 nuts. Right side net logo faces bottom left towards the rear. Place as shown and align with 4 screw holes. Connect the side net with M620 screws and nuts. If tail holes misalign, slide to adjust the main body. Align rear side net with main body holes, then connect. Left side net installation is same as the right. Tighten 12 screws of main body and side nets. The integrated gantry installation is complete. Side net holes can expand various equipment. Let's enjoy the finished installation effect together.